Welcome back to Healing Supplements videos. What if I told you that a common spice, likely hiding in your kitchen cabinet, holds the key to boosting your metabolism, improving circulation, and even relieving pain? Today we're diving deep into one of the most powerful and fiery herbs in the world of natural healing, cayenne pepper. This isn't just about adding a little kick to your food, it's about harnessing a potent natural remedy that has stood the test of time. For centuries, this vibrant red spice has been so much more than a kitchen favorite. From ancient civilizations to traditional healers across the globe, it's been treasured as a formidable healing herb. The secret to its power? A remarkable compound called capsaicin, the very thing that gives cayenne its signature heat. And today we're going to uncover exactly how it works. If you've ever wondered why cayenne is considered one of nature's most powerful remedies, stay tuned. In this comprehensive guide, we'll break down the science, explore its impact on everything from heart health to weight management, and even bust some common myths. We'll also share delicious recipes and the crucial safety tips you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this humble spice might deserve a place in your daily routine. This is one of our most detailed videos yet, so before we jump in, take a quick second to support the channel. Hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and ring that notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into natural health. So what exactly makes cayenne pepper so powerful? The secret lies in a compound called capsaicin. This is the active ingredient that gives cayenne its heat and its healing power. Capsaicin works by stimulating circulation, increasing metabolism, and supporting nutrient delivery. Cayenne pepper is rich in vitamins A, C, E, B6, and K, all essential for immune health, energy production, and strong bones. In short, cayenne pepper isn't just a spice, it's a nutrient powerhouse designed to fuel your body's health from the inside out. Now let's talk about the amazing health benefits of cayenne pepper. This vibrant spice owes its incredible power to a compound called capsaicin, which triggers a cascade of positive effects. Here are the most powerful ways it supports your body. First, it boosts circulation and heart health. The capsaicin in cayenne acts as a vasodilator, helping to relax and widen your blood vessels. This improves blood flow, can help lower blood pressure, and reduces strain on your heart. It also aids in preventing plaque buildup in your arteries. Next, it supports healthy digestion. Cayenne stimulates the production of saliva and gastric enzymes, preparing your system to break down food and absorb nutrients more effectively. And contrary to old myths, studies suggest it can actually help protect the stomach lining by boosting defensive mucus secretions. Cayenne also offers remarkable pain relief. When applied topically in a cream, capsaicin works by depleting substance P, a neurotransmitter that sends pain signals to your brain. By interrupting this signal, it provides significant relief for joint pain from arthritis, muscle soreness, and even nerve-related discomfort. It's also a great ally for weight management and metabolism. As a natural thermogenic, cayenne slightly raises your body temperature, which increases calorie burning. On top of that, capsaicin has been shown to help reduce appetite, helping you feel fuller for longer. Don't forget immune support. Cayenne is packed with vitamin C, but it's also rich in vitamin A. This combination is crucial for a strong immune response and for maintaining the health of our mucosal surfaces, our body's first line of defense against germs. It also promotes natural detox and cleansing. By improving circulation and inducing sweating, cayenne helps your body's lymphatic system more efficiently flush out metabolic waste and toxins, supporting your natural cleansing processes. And if you're feeling congested, cayenne provides fast relief. The heat helps to thin and break up stubborn mucus in your airways, making it easier to breathe. From your heart to your immune system, this spice goes far beyond flavor. It's like a natural medicine cabinet in one small red pepper. You can enjoy cayenne in different ways. Fresh peppers, added to meals for heat and nutrients. Dried and powdered cayenne, a common kitchen spice. Capsules or extracts. For those who don't enjoy the spiciness, supplements offer concentrated benefits without the burn. This is especially important for older adults. As we age, circulation slows, metabolism drops, and digestion becomes less efficient. Cayenne supplementation can help maintain vitality. So, as we've explored, cayenne pepper is far more than a simple kitchen spice. It's a potent superfood with the power to support nearly every system in your body. The secret is its fiery compound, capsaicin, the incredible molecule responsible for its wide-ranging health benefits. From ancient healing to modern science, cayenne has truly proven its worth. We've seen how it enhances circulation for a stronger heart, and stimulates enzymes for a healthier gut. We've uncovered its ability to fire up your metabolism, fortify your immune system, and even provide remarkable natural pain relief. It's a holistic powerhouse in one small red package, demonstrating nature's profound ability to heal and protect. The question now is, how will you embrace this spice of life? Are you ready to add a little heat to your health journey? Perhaps you'll start with a pinch in your morning lemon water, or maybe you're excited to try one of the recipes we shared. Just remember to start small and listen to your body, finding the perfect amount that works for you. We'd love to hear your plans. Drop a comment below and tell us your favorite way to use cayenne. If this guide has empowered you, show your support by hitting that like button and subscribing to Healing Supplements videos. Please note that a trusted source for cayenne pepper is listed in the comments below the video. Ring that notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into nature's pharmacy. Until next time, stay healthy, stay energized, and keep healing.